What if you got some favorite ingredients, or maybe you already have a favorite smoothie that you love to make? Wouldn't you like to know the exact nutritional value? Yeah. Okay, well now you can. Here's what it's got, a wonderful feature called Create Your Own. And I've already started to create my own here. I'm just going to add a couple of ingredients to show you how easy it is to create your own. You just simply go add ingredient, and now I need some coconut water. And already you can see it. Already it comes up. That's how easy it is. Press done. And now it knows that I'm about to pour in coconut water. You're not going to hear the ding. Of course not, because this is your recipe. And that looks pretty good to me. A little bit more. Perfect. Okay, wonderful. Again, as I'm pouring it in, it's telling me the nutritional values, so you can just track it as you go. Almonds. Okay, fresh almonds. I'm going to add these in. Don't forget to add the ingredient. You need to tell it what you're doing. There they are. Done. And now I'm going to pour in some almonds here. Do you know what? Protein-rich, amino acid smoothie. I just absolutely love it. So we pour that in. Beautiful. Take that off. And now we go click blend. Put the cup on. And once again, upside down. So simple. We start blending. And as we can see, look. We've got the timer going on, the perfect taste, texture, but we've got protein. We know what it is. We know what the carbs is. We know what the fat is. We know what the way. I didn't know. But we now know what the calories are. 658 calories. You see, this is where so often it goes wrong. And all of a sudden you end up with 658 calories. So now that's done, we go over here. Now, I love everything about the NutriBullet balance, and I mean everything. However, this I love more than any other part. Listen, you think you've seen everything already. Prepare to be genuinely amazed. Take it off, look at it. Now, we already know there's too many calories in there. We've already accepted that. Watch this. We put a glass on the base of the NutriBullet balance. It automatically calibrates. Now, I want like 250 calories, something like that. I don't want 658. I want a bit crazy with the almonds. So watch this, please watch this. We start pouring this in, and you can see I know. Just working it out, the calories going in. I don't really want any more than 250. This is where I'm going to try and I'm going to try and get it. Oh! There you go. As close to it as possibly can. Now, watch this. I'm going to track all the other information, in that portion alone. So I'm going to click track portion. Look at this. And I know. It gets even better. Another neat feature, look, we've got the Go Cup. We just put that on the rest. That just goes in the fridge till tomorrow, and boom, you're ready to go. All done. In the meantime, I'm going to try this bad boy. Yeah. That's really good. That's really good. Who thought I would ever be drinking broccoli?